friend of me is Motorola Moto G22, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Now click on clock at the bottom left corner and tap on this plus icon. After that, set up an hour and choose OK. Now you need to click on add label over here and create your label. Then choose OK and click on vibrate to disable enable vibrations. After that, you can pick days of the week by tapping on the ones that you wish to set up and click on default over here. Now choose one of those options or go with dismiss and tap on one of those melodies to set up the best one for you. You can also choose add new and pick music from your smartphone. As you can see, I don't have any. So I have to go back, tap on one of those and go back. As you can see now, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. In order to delete it, click on this icon, choose delete at the bottom left corner, and now it's gone. If you want to adjust even more alarm settings, you can do that by clicking on those three dots at the top right corner, selecting settings and managing them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!